Okay, this video is going to show you how to find classes for the upcoming semester. The first thing you want to do is go to the Jcc homepage, which is at www.johnstoncc.edu. And the homepage will look pretty much like this, pretty similar. And what we're going to be doing, there's two different ways that you can access the classes. One is to click on search for classes, and the other is to go through WebAdvisor. So let me show you what it looks like when you just search for classes. So you're not registering, you're just looking to see what's available. Click on search for classes. You figure out which term are you registering for, are you interested in knowing about the class schedule for. In this case, it's the spring of 2016, so I select that. In general, I like to keep all of this, anything from here down, blank, because I like to see everything that's available in a certain area. So if I am interested in taking an accounting class, I click on ACC for accounting, and then I go down here to the submit button and I click submit, and then it shows me all of the accounting classes that are available for the spring. Now let me tell you a little bit about how this page works. You'll see that there's a lot of different colors on this page. Anything in green means that the class is completely online, so you don't need to come to campus. The class will be completely taught through Blackboard. So it is an online course. The brown means that it's an in-person seated class. So that means that you will actually need to come to campus, and each of the classes will tell you, each of the listings here will tell you the dates of the class, the days of the week, Monday, Wednesday, the time of the class, and the location. So you also want to look over here at the section number, because if it says J1, that means it's a hybrid class. So while you'll be meeting in class on Tuesday and Thursday, there will be a substantial amount of work also online. That's a hybrid class. A completely seated class has a W in it in the section number. So the name of the class you'll find in this column here, and you can click on any one of them and it will open a new window that will tell you the name of the class, the description of the course, how many credits it is, the start and end dates. There's also a hyperlink to the book information if you would like to know which textbook that you'll be using, and then also any other prerequisites or other information that the instructor feels like you need to know. Okay, and you can click on close window. When you're done with that, it brings you back here, right? And so something I did not mention. The pink here is for classes that are held off campus in a different location. In this case, this is a class that's being held at News Charter High School, and it's only for News Charter students. So unless you are a News Charter student, you're going to want to sign up for a class that's a green or brown. Okay, over here in this column, you'll see the faculty members that are teaching each class, and then also the availability and capacity. The number that's over here on the left means this is the number of seats that are left in the class as of this point. The number to the right means this is the maximum number of students that we can have in the class. The credit hours are listed in this column here. 12 credit hours is what we consider to be full-time. So this is how you find classes that you would like to register for. Now you can click on the back button here. And let's say, okay, I want to know about business. And let's say that there's a specific class you're looking for. So let's say you're looking for Business 110. I type in Business 110. Again, I like to leave the rest of this down here blank so it shows me all of the Business 110s that are available. I click Submit, and then it shows me all of the sections of Business 110 that are available. As you can see, there's one here that's Monday nights. We have one on Monday, Wednesday, 2 to 3:15. And this is for the spring 2016 semester. It does change. Our schedules do change from semester to semester. And again, over to the right, it tells you how many seats are available and also what's the maximum number of students that we can take. Now you might wonder, why are there 5 different blanks here? That's if you know maybe that there are very specific classes that you're looking for. Let's see, paralegal is LEX. So if there's very specific classes and numbers that you're looking for, you could put them all in at once. Let's see, Spanish. I'm just kind of picking out some just to kind of show you how this works. Let's try CIS 110. Okay, and again, I like to keep the bottom blank so that way I can see what my options are. Click on Submit, and then it'll show you those exact classes. So for example, the Accounting 115, there's only one section of it. And then it shows you all the Business 110s, all of the CIS 110s. Let's go back here for a second. Let's say that you only wanted to find online sections. See here where it says online section? You'd want to check that box. Click on Submit, and now it's only going to show you the ones that are green, obviously, that are online. So you'll see that not all of the classes that we chose show up here. Only the online, only ones that are offered online. Let's see. Let's say that, let's uncheck the online section and go over and say we want to find classes that are on Tuesdays and Thursdays. You can do that. Click Submit, and then it will only show you classes that are offered on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And it will include the online classes as well. And so that's how you are able to use WebAdvisor to find classes. Now let me go back to the home page, because I want to show you the alternate way of getting to this page. Okay, now initially we went through here through the search for classes, but you can also go through here. So if you click on WebAdvisor, and this is kind of nice because there's some information here, some announcements that you may need. So information about payment, about registration dates, financial aid. So it's helpful to kind of go through this way as well. How to order textbooks online. If you're new to WebAdvisor, how to get through that, learning about the eText initiative. If you click on this big blue square that says Continue to WebAdvisor, and then click on, it really doesn't matter, we'll say Prospective Students, search for sections, and then it brings you to this page. So there's a few more clicks to get to this page, but then again, there's also some information there that might be helpful to you. Either way, you can find classes either by going directly to search for classes or by going through WebAdvisor. I hope that this was helpful.